All right, so here's the rainfall shower plate that we just installed in 2 of our bathrooms. This one took me about 10-15 minutes to install by myself. It was very easy because none of the joints were leaking. So right now I have it installed pretty much in line with the tubing coming out of the wall right here. So it's probably around 6'6" high. This clears my husband's head pretty well. And we have the handheld sprayer installed below it. And if you notice, it actually is adjustable. So keep that in mind when installing it. You can actually put it somewhere right here if you want, so that it sprays on you or your head when you don't want to use the rainfall above. So in addition, there's also these joints. You got 1, 2, 3. So the top one right above the plate is where the water restrictor goes, below the rubber lined screen. It took us a bit to figure out where that went since we were getting a lot of water flow, but it goes there. All of these tighten really well, actually. I'm surprised. And here's the knob that can go midway, so half plate, half handheld, or full either way. I used the supplied pipe tape for this one and it didn't leak. For our other bathroom, that one took us a little bit longer because it was leaking from this joint right here. So we actually used the spare washer and put it in there, and also used a thicker pipe tape. That helped a lot, but no other leaks from any of the other joints. And these are really neat. These are super tight. I'm surprised how tight it is because there is a lot of weight coming down right here. But it seems to be holding for the past week. These are really nice to clean. Just with a flick of the finger. We're hoping this lasts a lot longer than our previous plastic one because it's metal, and hopefully it'll be more durable. But so far, it's great.
It does have a very long hose, so you can pretty much literally touch the floor with it. But look at this. This is all the way up, so we can spray like straight out. Or it literally goes all the way down like that. So I personally like using it like right there because I'm 5'3". I'm not a kid. But it definitely is so nice that it does that. And like I said, I've had it for 2 months and this thing hasn't come off yet at all. There's like a little bit of an air bubble in there. So other than that, but it works really well. There's 5 settings, so you can make it soft, hard. There's all of that. And that. So lots of different settings. And then you switch this knob right here. You can have both of them. You put it like in the middle. Or you can have just the rainfall if you put it all the way up. Oh, it's really nice. It feels really nice. And yeah, it's really like rain. It's so nice. So yeah, it is wonderful. I highly recommend it. I'm totally taking this to my new place whenever I move out of my parents' house.
So I'm in an apartment. I went to Dollar Tree to get the plant, the fake vines, Dollar Tree and Family Dollar for the lights. And I'm in love with this thing.
Okay, this thing is no good. It will not, we have tightened up those locking tabs or knobs, and it will not hold it. Like, does not support.
Useless.